Yeah, so many things happen, but the idea is that based on your body position and movements in relation to each other, the audio effects are controlled. And then there's this kind of visualization to help.
Is that impacted by our movements as well?
Yeah.
Because I started to move since you started moving.
Yeah. So that's my like backup for when people can't tell the differences in the tonal like variations. There's also stuff happening here. So it kind of made, which is a later addition, so it's not very refined. But I guess you guess it. I'm just going to kind of copy your.
Is it?
I actually don't know what did that.
Is it by speed as well?
Yeah, some of it is. Some of it's, so the sensors are, yeah. Well, yeah. Anyway, that's basically. So, like, if you want me, I'll tell you a couple of things. Some of the way that some of the things are mapped, so you can like. But so right, see the screen. If we like tilt our heads like to the side, then it should go square. Yeah. And if they're vertical, then it will go straight. And if we stand really still, the kick drum will like slow down. So you hear it's like slow, and then if you like bop up and down, it goes double time. Also, these things are all mapped to a weird, like, so if you bang your head to the left, the screen will kind of shift either way.
Oh, wow.
There's heaps of weird, and if you dip your head forward, like a comb filter will like, with a high resonance will make the sound like feedback. So you can hear that sort of noise, but then there's each person controls a different filter, and if you both go at the same time, they like combine into that weird feedback sound. Yeah. Anyway, there's that little the claves. If you shake your head, they'll like pan and they'll like be jumping around your head. Is the idea, and that's like another trigger that I just added because heaps of people were having trouble finding the sounds.
Yeah.
And that's a really, really obvious one. Like, it doesn't really fit in. That I just made to people be like, oh, if I shake my head, this sound. Anyway, yeah.